As all of you know that head injury is in day out, people see head injury patients in the surroundings, and they must be aware of the head injury or to their relative or dear ones. So head injury is basically any trauma to the scalp, skull or brain. This injury may be minor or may be severe kind of injury. So whenever this is associated with brain injury, it may present as a severe head injury also. So head injury, it can be either closed or open kind of head injury. In open head injury, we'll say when there is a fracture of the skull and there is a brain matter is maybe visible or coming out of that injury. So what are the basic causes of head injury? The common causes are, if you see, these are accidents, roadside accidents. Injury may occur at home, it may occur while playing, it may occur by fall, it may occur by physical assault also. So what are the common symptoms which you see when patient presented with head injury? There may be minor symptoms or there may be severe symptoms. In minor symptoms, patient may present with some kind of headache, a spinning sensation, mild confusion, maybe associated with nausea and temporary ringing in the ears. However, if the injury is severe, then patient may present with unconsciousness, may present with seizure, may present with recurrent vomitings and increased severity of headache. At the same time, there may be abnormal movement of the eyes, there may be difficulty in walking, there may be you can say one side weakness also. So what are the survival rate and prognosis of head injury? The survival rate depend upon the severity of disease as well as the primary management. So out of these, 50% die in 2 hours of the head injury. However, in patient who is old, in which the age is more than 60 years, they have highest death rate among head injury patients. First of all, it is important to know what the brain aneurysms are. A brain aneurysm is basically a bulge or ballooning in the blood vessel of the brain. It often looks like a grape which is hanging on a stem. So brain aneurysm, it may leak or it may get ruptured, and it will lead to bleeding in the brain. So what are the causes of this aneurysm disease? There are so many risk factors which can lead to brain aneurysm formation, in which basically we can say high blood pressure, atherosclerosis, trauma. It may be associated with heredity, and there is abnormal blood flow at the junction where arteries come together, leads to aneurysm formation. Sometimes infection plays a role in aneurysm formation also. So how the patient presented to emergency or to you with the symptom of aneurysms? They may present with headache, numbness, weakness of one side of face, maybe dilated pupil, maybe associated with nausea and vomiting, and unconscious state. So if you want to know what is the survival rate of this disease, according to various researches, 6 million people have unruptured brain aneurysm. Only 10 to 15% have more than one aneurysm, and someone with unruptured have 1% chance of rupturing aneurysm per year. A patient with big aneurysm or larger aneurysm have high risk of rupture. 25% of aneurysm do not survive in first 24 hours, and 25% of patient dies because of lack of care and complication within 6 months.